Welcome back to Turbo Car Choice, the channel where we bring the future of performance machines straight to your screen. If you love the smell of speed, the sound of power, and the design that turns heads, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into something truly spectacular, the 2024 Lamborghini Revuelto, a car that doesn't just redefine supercars, it rewrites the entire rulebook of hybrid hyper-performance. From the moment you see it, the Revuelto doesn't whisper, it roars its presence. Sculpted with precision, the dark gray body lines slice through the air like a fighter jet. Every curve has a purpose, every angle screams performance. The front end carries that unmistakable Lamborghini aggression, featuring the signature Y-shaped headlights and aerodynamic vents that seem alive with motion. The aero kit adds muscle to every contour, giving it that stealth look that's both menacing and beautiful. Under the hood, Lamborghini brings a revolution, literally. This beast is powered by a 6.5-liter V12 engine, naturally aspirated, producing an astonishing 814 horsepower on its own. But that's not all. It's paired with 3 electric motors that boost the total output to a mind-blowing 1001 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right. The Revuelto isn't just fast, it's a thunderstorm on wheels. This hybrid setup doesn't just offer raw power, it delivers instant torque and precision that makes every acceleration a breathtaking experience. The Revuelto rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds, and it can easily soar past 217 miles per hour. It's not just about straight-line speed either. Lamborghini's new carbon fiber monocoque chassis ensures razor-sharp handling, while the advanced aerodynamics keep it glued to the road even at terrifying speeds. Every air vent, every spoiler, and every line contributes to keeping this car stable, sleek, and impossibly fast. Step inside, and you enter a cockpit designed for the future. The dashboard layout is clean, digital, and immersive. The new 12.3-inch instrument cluster, central touchscreen, and passenger display create a connected driving experience unlike any other. The interior is wrapped in premium materials, Alcantara, carbon fiber, and leather, all stitched to perfection. The dark gray theme enhances that stealthy, aggressive vibe, making it feel like you're sitting in the cockpit of a stealth jet rather than a car. Lamborghini has also gone heavy on sustainability and tech innovation. The hybrid system allows short electric-only driving, perfect for city cruising or silent entries, before unleashing the V12 Symphony on open roads. It's a mix of passion and responsibility, a glimpse of what the next era of hypercars will be. The Revuelto isn't just another Lamborghini, it's the evolution of performance, luxury, and design all in one. It's a bold statement that Lamborghini isn't afraid of the electric future, they're leading it, with fire and fury. So, what do you think? Is the 2024 Lamborghini Revuelto the perfect blend of old-school muscle and future-ready technology? Drop your thoughts below, and if you love insane supercars like this, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Turbo Car Choice, and stay tuned, because the next car we show might just blow your mind even more.